Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can professionally resize your product images for your online shops. First of all, go to an image. In this example I'm using this image. The size is 1100 by 900. The other image I have is East End, which is quite big, 1600 into 958. So I want to resize this image into that size. So I will take the first image to the Photoshop. It's placed here as a background image. Now I am going to bring my second image, which is bigger in size. See here, 1600. Bring this one in. Now this will open in a new tab. Now when I will use any command on the screen, this will appear in this section of the screen, the lower right corner. You can see here I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy, coming back to this tab, pasting here, Ctrl V. It's all keyboard work. Now this is bigger than the canvas size. Now I am going to transform the image. In order to transform, I am going to press and hold Ctrl and press T. T stands for transform. Now you can see this here. Press and hold Shift and resize the image. Image will perfectly resize like that. Now press enter, leave the image. Now what's next? Here you can't see the image which is behind. In order to see the image which is set as a background image, go to layers from the right hand side, select the background image, select the top image and its opacity, reduce the opacity. Now you can see the background image. Now press Ctrl and T to transform. Press and hold Shift and the 4 arrows on your keyboard. Bring the image down like that and adjust. If there are any adjustments, make the adjustments and you are done. My image is done. What I am going to do is increase the opacity to 100, delete the background layer, and you are only left with yours image, the new image. Now you need to fill the color. In order to fill the color, you need to take the dropper, pick the color. Color is picked here. Now I'm going to take the bucket and click here. The color is now matched. Now I need to save the image for web because I want it light, I don't want it very heavy. So I'm going to click file, save for web and devices. The shortcut is Alt Shift Control and S. I'm going to show you Control Shift Alt S. This opens up here. You need to save it as PNG24, the highest version of PNG. You can see it here, the quality. These are 4 qualities, but you pick up the PNG24, right? Now save. You need to give it a name. Its name was East End. East End resized 1100 into 900 like that. PNG, saving to desktop and save. It's giving me a trouble because of this static. Is saved now. And now I'm going to show you from my desktop if possible. From here I'm going to my desktop and writing here East End, and this comes up as not this one. Click E Here's my east end resized. When I place the mouse, it says 1100 by 900. Go to properties, details, 1100 by 900. Open. This is it. Thank you so much.